Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find other people's posts that appear on your Facebook feed using the latest update on PC. If you've ever wondered where those posts are coming from or wanted more control over what shows up in your feed, this is the setting a need to know about. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will expand and you'll want to select Activity Log. This section gives you a detailed overview of everything related to your account activity. Now that you're inside the activity log, look for the option labeled Your Facebook Activity and click on it. This is where Facebook organizes different types of interactions and content connected to your account. Next, click on Posts to narrow things down. After that, you'll see an option called Other People's Posts to your feed. Go ahead and click on it, and that's it. Here, you'll be able to see posts from other users that have appeared in your feed. This section helps you better understand what content Facebook is showing you and gives you more insight into your feed experience. If you want to stay in control of what you see, checking this section regularly can really help you manage your content preferences more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and up-to-date Facebook tips. Thanks for watching.